Welcome to my channel, and I'm going to show you the dumbest idea of a motovlogging setup that I had and why you probably should not ever do it or make something like this. So yeah, let's start. Everything starts with, of course, the GoPro. I have the 11 with me, and this is the Ulanzi cage for the GoPro. So let me put it in. I'll be constructing this live as to how dumb this idea can be. So there's no battery door, so you just use the door from the cage, lock it in, and for audio I use the GoPro adapter. Come on, please. Yes, I've been using this for a while now. So this is with me. Put this in here. Fits perfectly. And now you have a way to connect a mic. So at this point it's still okay. It's not that bad. So I recently picked up these Rode wireless Me mics. So just a set of two mics that you can use. So this goes on top of the Ulanzi cage here. Yeah, goes there, and now you can connect this here. There you go. Okay. And finally, last piece of the puzzle is the helmet. It already has my goggles, and what I had planned to do was inside here, since it has these mounts, I would put my wireless microphone, just remove one of the straps, put this in here and strap it back. So it's there now, as you can see. And let me find a mount. Hang on. Give me a moment. And now let's strap the entire contraption that we have here. I hope you can see. Let me just screw it in. Hang on, hold on there. It's not that bad. There you go. Let's forget the fact that visibility is an issue. But the core problem is the fact that at this point, there's so much weight up front here that the moment I put in the helmet in, I barely can ride for like a kilometer or so. There's so much weight, and this weight is pushing me down like constantly. And this eventually starts hurting the back of my head here, and it gets really bad. So yeah, this is probably the worst motovlogging setup. I'm sure you've seen a lot of good setups, but this is probably the worst one. Let me quickly show you what this entire setup weighs like. Please excuse the cheap Chinese weighing scale, but just one microphone weighs about 38 grams. But now the entire contraption here, that's about half a kg of weight. I mean 400 grams. That's crazy, man. That's the amount of weight that you'll be carrying on your head up front. And because of this, it acts like a fulcrum, so I'm sure that weight feels even a lot more. So yeah. And that, my dear friends, is how you don't make a motovlogging setup. Never ever do this. Cheers.